Hi everyone, welcome to VITechTalks. In this lecture, we are going to see how to create an API if the person is eligible for vote or not. Okay, so what is the use case here? Okay, the input we need to take it as a query parameters. The first parameter is name, then second parameter is age. Okay, for example, suppose name is Anu, age is 23. The response. Okay, there are two scenarios we have to build our API. If the person is more than 18, okay, and he is eligible for vote. Okay, this is the response we are expecting. Then another scenario is if the age is less than 18, we have to display the message. It's like Anu is not eligible for vote. Okay, the reason also we need to display because the person is the age is below 18 years. Okay, let's get start for the practical. Go to Anypoint Studio, click on File and create a new project. So here we need to provide the API name. I'm going to provide API name called okay vote API, or else what I can do is person. So this can be anything. Okay, you can keep it as meaningful way. Okay, person vote API. Just click on finish. Click on this HTTP. Drag the listener. So after dragging this one, we have to configure the port number. So I'm going to keep it as 8081. This is a default port number. Click on OK. Next, we need to provide the resource path here. So the resource path name, it will get start with the slash. Okay. I'm going to keep it as vote. Okay. So this is my resource path. Just save it. Then what is our requirement? We need to take two variables as an input, correct? Okay. It's like query parameters. One is name and another one is age. Go to core. If you come down, we can able to see set variables over here. Drag the two variables. Okay. So now here you can change the values as first one is name and the second one is age. Okay. Now we have two variables over here. But here the configuration is required. The configuration which we are going to set it as, we need to get the values from query parameters. Okay. Then in that case, just click on this fx. Okay. Go to expression mode. Just type attributes dot. So here you will get the auto suggestions. Here you need to select the query form. Okay. Query forms dot name. This is one of the query parameter. The same way we have to set it for age also. Attributes att attributes dot query parameters dot age. Okay. So now we have two variables. Okay. Then So how we are going to calculate if the person is eligible for vote or not? Okay. If the person age is, suppose, let me take the annotation. If the person age is, okay, age is greater than or equal to 18, this guy is eligible for vote. If not greater than or equal to 18, not eligible. Okay, that's very simple logic. Then in that case, what we need to do is we need to take choice router here. Based on this choice, we are going to decide whether the person is eligible for vote or not. Okay, in this when condition, we have to write, click on this expression. How we are going to decide based on age parameter. Vas.age is greater than or equal to 18. So if not 18, it will go to always default condition. So here, just take the transform message. So one more transform message, I'm going to keep it here. So what is the response? It is required. Okay. So we required, the first condition is Anu is eligible for vote. Okay. Just try to copy this one. Go to this transform message. Just copy paste over here and keep it in a double quotes. So whatever the message you want to display. Now, so where this name is coming? So the name is coming from variable. We have already set this one. Just we need to append this. To append the strings, we need to use plus plus, type name over here. Name means var.name. Okay, always. So this is in a variable. So that's why we need to take it from variables. Okay, var.name. So this is a string. So better you can mention as string. Okay, as string. Var.name as string plus plus is eligible for vote. So what it will do, automatically whatever the value the user will provide, it will take that value and it will concatenate with the string. Okay, one condition is fine. Next, what is another condition? Just to go there, go to our requirements, copy this entire process message, just to copy paste here, So the first one is instead of Anu, so what we need to do is we need to provide the name as dynamically var.name space as string. Okay, as string is not eligible for vote because the person age is below, see again. So this is also, it should come from variable. So in that case, what I will do is, okay, is below 18 years, right? Okay, not required to keep as a dynamic way, 18 years, just keep it in a double quotes, that's it. Suppose you want to display the current age, whatever the end user is going to pass. In that case, we need to display the age parameter here, but it is not required in this case. Okay, let's try to test this one. Just give right tick. So it is running in a local. Just wait for a few seconds. So meanwhile, just observe. Suppose So whatever the input the user will provide, so first it will come to listener, then it will set the variables. Okay, so suppose the name is Anu, the age is 20. Suppose if you pass the age is 20, so the choice router will decide based on the condition. Okay, either it should get execute this one or this one. So now we have a vars.age greater than or equal to 18, either 20 greater than or equal to 18. Is it true? Yes. Then this flow will get execute. Okay, this flow will get execute. Suppose if the age is 10 greater than or equal to 18, no, then automatically the default case will get execute. Okay, let's execute from a postman and we'll see how it is behaving. Okay, let's go to postman, type localhost 8081. So that is my port number. The resource path is vote. Okay, vote. The first parameter is name. I'm going to keep it as Anu. Then second parameter is age. Let's keep it as 23. Just try to run this one. See, Anu is eligible for vote. Anu is eligible for vote. Okay. What I will do, I'm going to change it as below 18. Let's make it to 17. See, Anu is not eligible for vote because the person age is below 18 years. Okay, this is what we are expecting. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching this. Happy learning.